Wow, it's almost like somebody was logging through here. So many trees are down. They're all windblown and dead. Oh my goodness.
So what is that?
All right. Checking out another road here. Nothing too exciting so far. See if we find anything. All right, so we figured since we were in the area, there's an old fire tower up here. We're gonna go, Mark's never seen it. I've been there once, so I'm gonna go check it out again. I was there many years ago. So we're gonna go check it out. It's not far off this road somewhere. Hey buddy. Want some food? Hey. Looks like he's been in a fight or something. Scratches on him, I think. Mr. Bear, we finally saw a bear. You're the bear we saw. Coming to visit us. Another old bridge. Deck's starting to get rotten. Nice river. Oh, and the duck taking off. Pretty cool. Nails and
I don't want them in your tire.
rotten wood and
There's a couple punky ones here.
yeah, I stepped on one that was nice and soft. Sandhill crane. Alright, we found the tower. The only problem is the cupola is missing. So that's kind of disappointing, but we'll go take a quick look at it. Wow, it's almost like somebody was logging through here. So many trees are down. They're all windblown and dead. Almost there. Where are you going?
Right for the tower.
Here for the tower.
Yeah, it's nice and easy going.
Mark's over there in the black. He's a bear. Bear hunting season.
Oh yeah, good call.
There should be. A little bit further. Okay, there's the old square roof. Falling down. I don't know where the walls went, but maybe half of them are still up there. Not going to bother going up there. Just give you a view around. Yeah, I don't know where the walls went. That's just the roof. Give you a size of the roof anyways. Somebody's been here, twisted tea. Having a party, I guess. Okay, there's some boards underneath, part of the wall, siding. Got a whole pile of at least 1 or 2 walls there. And then there's some boards spread out through the bush.
We're saving some history.
All right, say goodbye to this fire tower. It's definitely done. There is 1 wall up there, probably 2, but a couple has collapsed, so won't be coming back to this one. Just another fire tower. Okay, Mark's checking out the fire tower.
At least
You
I
can't see anything now as he crashes into it.
can at least see through yours.
Just over there.